Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Tiriswar, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to discuss a very interesting story. I mean, it's a lesson, but it is in this lesson I have given a very interesting story, and it is one of the persons which is came from the Unit 5 Pro sections of Marigold textbook of 5th standard. So, the lesson name is Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle. So it's a name of a person. It's a name of a person. So let's discuss this story. And the story is used to Rip Van Winkle, a good-natured but lazy man. So this lesson also totally given upon the lazy things, lazy persons, isn't it? Who goes away into the hills and falls asleep. When he wakens 20 years later, Rip finds that quite a few things have changed. So it's a very interesting chapter, and in this the main character is Rip Van Winkle, and he was very lazy, and whenever he went for some other places, he used to sleep, and whenever he awakened, at the time already 20 years will passed. So what was the reason behind it, and how it is, when did he go, and then after what happens, and after waking up, so what were the changes? After reading these lessons, we can understand better, right? So without late, we'll start the lessons. Many years ago, at the foothills of the Catskill, one of the place name, the mountains, was a little village. In the village lived a simple, good-natured fellow named Rip Van Winkle. He was a kind neighbor, ready to help anyone. Everyone in the village liked him. The children of the village shouted with joy whenever they saw him because he played with them. He taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles, and told them long stories. So the students, first paragraph, and I have discussed for you with you. Actually, this story is a long years ago. So this long years ago, on the foothill of the town, means foothill of the mountains, that is Catskills mountains. Actually, it was very little village. In that village, one person, his name is Rip Van Winkle. He was living there. He was very good person, very good natured person. He always helped to other, and he also very good neighbor. Everyone he used to help. He never hurt to any other persons. So in this way, everybody knows well to him. Even though all the children also, they liked very much to him. Whenever they sing to the persons, they shouting. They used to shout with joy and happiness. Why? Because they used to play with them, and they used to shoot they used to shoot the stones. I mean marbles, etc. So in this way, all the children also liking him very, very much. Whom? To the Rip Van Winkle. So they used to say, he is used to say to the children's different types of stories and etc. So next, when we discuss another paragraphs, the only problems with Rip was that he was very lazy. Everything is okay, everything is correct, and his living styles and each and everything is perfect except his laziness. Everything he will do, but he always lazy to do the work. He did not work on his own farm and just idled every his time. His friends were falling to pieces. His cow was going astray, which grew on his farm's constant companion was his dog. And his name is Wolf. To avoid work, he would walk away into the forest with his dog. So what happens? The first things, his main thing is not to do the work. I mean his laziness. That was the main problems with him, and he won't like to work on his field. So what happens? The fence are already about to break, and it became damaged, and different type of useless grasses. Everything has grown in his field. So the field also destroying. So each and everything is badly going on. So, but it has a good companion, one of the dog, whose name is Ulf. So to avoid work, see, he used to what he is doing to avoiding the work. He used to go different forest, isn't it? So he used to go forest, and whenever he was going to forest, he carrying with him his best friend dog, whose name Ulf. One day Reef just walked on and on, reached the highest part of the mountains. It was late in the afternoon when he reached there. But one day what happens, every day he used to go to avoid the work to the forest. But one day he went to the forest and he went on and went on and went on. He never think before return about his returning, but he's going on, went on. After when he reached the mountains, so there was a lot of times already over, and afternoon means when he reached the mountains, it was afternoon. So tired after his long climb, he lay down and began daydreamings. It was soon evening, and he realized it would be night by the time he reached his village. So then after when he went there, he got so tired after long working. So what he did, he took the rest there, and he felt asleep, and he started to look the day dreams. So just not a sleep, just to take the rest, and he started to think something else. So he also thought that if he returned to his own village, so definitely on the way it become night. So that's why what he did, he thought that he will go another village of the nearer of the mountains. Then after what happens here, suddenly he heard a voice calling out, Rivenwinkle, Rivenwinkle. Somebody calling to him, Rivenwinkle, Rivenwinkle. He looked around and saw a short old man with thick hair and greased beard walking towards him with a barrel. He made sign to help him carry the barrel, hurried to help the stranger, who caught his hand tightly. Together they reached a place where there were more odd-looking men playing ninepins. They were all dressed the same way, and all of them had beard very safe and colored. Even though they were playing a game, their faces were serious and there was silence. The only sound was the noise of the bells, which echoed in the mountains like thunder. So what happens? They were suddenly he heard, Rivenwinkle, Rivenwinkle. He used to hear something else like this. So when he listens this type of sound, that somebody is calling to him, so he removed his head all over the side. Then after he saw very short persons and with grey beards about to dry. So they saw him, they're coming nearer to him, nearer to this fellow, and they also carry with big barrels. So he's making some sign or some symbols that he needs some help. That's what did the Rivenwinkle immediately went and they carried the barrels, and he started to help to him, to the strange. Strange means what? Strange means some unknown persons about whom we don't know anything. So they are the strange. Strange means what you say? Unknown person. जिसके बारे में हम कुछ भी पता नहीं होता, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Unknown persons. I mean strange persons. So in this way, they started help, and where they living, he also went with them and he kept them. So but when he reached there, the surrounding, the atmosphere, the circle, something different, something odd, that he never see such type of circumstance. ऐसी चीज़ कभी नहीं देखा, तो थोड़ा अलग लगा उनको. किसको? रिवेनविंकल को थोड़ा अलग जैसा अलग तरीके लगा उनका, मीन्स द लिविंग स्टाइल्स एंड द पर्सन्स अलग. वहाँ पे जो पर्सन्स, those who are living there, isn't it? Those who are living there, they are very different things, and their hairstyles and their beard styles, each and everything is totally different from one to another. And one more thing, the colors are also totally different from one to another. So that is very different, and it's looking very odd. Then after he started to fear that where I came and what type of circumstance, what type of atmosphere here. So he started to fear himself. But they used to play games, that is 9-pin games, and they all are very serious. and whenever they're playing, it creates some sounds like a thunder, and it is creating some ecosystems, or echo sounds, isn't it? So in this way they are making the different sounds, and it's creating some echo sounds whenever they're playing. So as Rip and his companion reached them, they stopped playing and started stared at Rip with a fixed gaze. So Rip was really frightened. His companion emptied the contents of the barrel into the glasses and made Rip drink it. Rip obeyed as he was trembling with fear since he was thirsty. He drank a few more glasses and slowly fell into a deep sleep. Then after, when Rip and Wink just reached there, they stopped the game and they stared upon the Rip and Wink. Stared means what? Just ऐसा, just looking without any gap, ऐसा देखते रहना, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Stared. So ऐसा देखने लगे with a fixed gaze. They started to stare on the Rip and Winkle, and whenever all the people are stared on him or looking just without any gaze on him, he started to frighten. ये आदमी डरने लगा. Rip and Winkle started to fear. Then after, the people what they did, though he helped him, though the Rip and Winkle helped to the peoples, that's why what they did, there's something some drinking they served on a glass and hand over to the Rip and Winkle. But he started to he feared that whether I will drink or not. This just he started to fear. But though he already thirsty, प्यासी था, so what he did, he drank, and it was very nice. Then that's why what he did, some more 2 or 3 glasses he drank. After drinking, he got he felt something good. Then after, he started to sleep. So when he started to sleep, he went to deep on sleeping. Then after, what happens? On waking up, he found that he was at the place where the had first met the old man. He rubbed his eyes. It was a bright sunny morning. Surely I haven't slept here all night, thought Rip. What happens? Then after, when he wake up, he found he was at once aware he fact of the old man. He saw that where he saw first old man, at the time he just saw, and he just rubbed his eyes and he looked. He realized that where he met the old man, in that place he came. Then it was the bright sunny, means the light was very sunny, and it was very sunny lightings of the suns. He thought that I should not sleep here. He thought himself, I should not sleep here tonight. I have to move, but I have slept. He looked around for Wolf, but he was nowhere. Rip whistled for him. Wolf, Wolf, he then shouted. No dog was to be seen. Where has this dog gone? He muttered to himself. He began to descend the mountains to go back to his village. So then after, what happens? He started his search for many different places to get his dog. He called him Wolf, Wolf, and he whistled, he wiggled, but he didn't get his dog. And where the dog went, where just he muttered, means murmuring himself, खुद से बात करने का. So this is the muttered or murmuring, just general we say it. So he did like this. Then after, slowly descended towards the foothill of the mountains, and he started journey towards his village. As he neared the village, he met a number of people, but he didn't know any of them. The villagers also stared at him, equally surprised. Who is this man? Said one. I have never seen him before, said another. Look at this long white beard and his wrinkled face. Why? Because whenever he returned to his village, totally he became old. He became old and his all the hairs became dry and it became grey color. It's also a white color and its beard already much bigger than before. And everybody surprising looking, not only the peoples but also the himself, Reuben Winkle also surprising looking, just looking at them, and he also couldn't identify any of them. Everybody are new. The same way the peoples also looking to them, who is this man? Somebody, one of them asked, and he's saying, yeah, something is different, he is looking, we never see him before. On hearing this, Rip shocked his chin and his astonishment. He found his beard and grown foot of long, and it was all white. Then after somebody says that, wow, it is a very big beard and we never see before him. So when he listened, he also got surprised himself, and he also just touched his beard. He also saw yes, his beard is very long. It's touching to the feet. Then after, what happens? An old woman walked up to him and looked at his face for a moment. Then she exclaimed that it is a Reuben Winkle. Welcome home again, old neighbor. Where have you been these 20 years long years? Then after, when the conversation it was going on, so at the middle of the time, one old woman came towards him and he just looked for some time. Then after she recognized that he's Reuben Winkle. Why? Because wrinkles all came to his face and all he became old, and all the new peoples are next generation of children are there, so they couldn't identify it. But among them an old woman, when he came just to front side and he started to just stare on him, she recognized that he is none other than Reuben Winkle. Then after, he welcomed to him, that he said that you are my neighbor, old neighbor. So where did you go and where did you stay for a long time, since 20 years? In this way he asked to the Reuben Winkle. So dear students, this lesson has been completed, so I hope you understand better. So you also read this lesson properly. The story is very interesting story, and something fictional story, I think so. So whatever may be, you also go through the story and read the story and see the video. And still, if you have any doubt, definitely you can ask to me, and its meaning and question answer, each and everything I will send to you by the PPT. Okay. So till then, keep watching for the next video. Bye bye.